it's Melissa here and happy Shabbatnukah. And tonight we're doing Shabbatnukah, which comes every Hanukkah because Hanukkah is 8 nights long. Now, the key to having a really fun and pleasant Shabbatnukah is obviously inviting the right people, and we have super fun guests coming for dinner tonight, and they are very low-key and understanding. We have sent the family to go pick up sufganiyot. We'll show you those in a minute. I have fried up as many latkes as possible, which is always the correct number. I did 12 really huge russet potatoes today and fried for maybe 3 hours. That was really like the focus of what I did. Since we are gonna be like red-blooded carnivores tonight, I also have a beautiful piece of meat in the oven, one really large piece. Here it is. In order to make tonight really smooth and easy, we are not frying our own sufganiyot. We are not making our own challah. Those came from the bakery. I have offloaded the responsibility of a vegetable to my guests. They're bringing a green salad. I have a little bit of mushrooms on the stovetop. I'm gonna do another pan of mushrooms real quick. And then I have applesauce and sour cream. So that is the recipe, you guys, for a successful Shabbatnukah. I haven't even changed. I might put on a nicer top. They're gonna arrive shortly. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam she'asa nisim avoteinu kayamim.
I like the hand. I like the handles.
Basman hazeh.
No.
Job, girls. Nice work, everybody.
Yeah, you just like what you can. Shel Shabbat lechaim hamotzi lechem min haaretz. Amen. Let's say a bun, Maya. You can take a bite. You want to grab?
Want to tear some off?
Okay, let's get plates for the little children.
Thank you, Lacey.
Okay, Mommy and
Maya?
everybody, here's the remains.
I'm so
As you can imagine, we've been working hard, really hard over here all of Hanukkah and all this week. So we're really looking forward to our nice Shabbat dinner, our time with friends. I would love to hear in the comments down below, how has your Hanukkah been? Have you tried my latkes recipe yet? I sure hope that you have, and I will link it up in the comments section down below. Have a really happy Hanukkah, a great Shabbat. I will see you in the new year. Take care, and thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.